Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Renault Scenic Espace electric parking brake fault in 7 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can see that we have the parking brake fault warning light on the dashboard. So here is the parking brake handle, and if you can see, it's not working properly, so we will try to repair it. So first, remove the panel underneath the handbrake button using a trim tool. Use a trim tool for protecting the surfaces, the plastic surfaces. You can find a new trim tool removal set in the video description below. After you remove that panel, you can see those two bolts. So remove those two bolts using a T20 Torx. Then take the handbrake control switch out and disconnect the cables from the back. It's easy to remove it. Just press on that tab and then release the harness. So this is the handbrake with the handbrake module. We will remove the plastic case from the handbrake button using a flat blade screwdriver. Now you can see those three micro switches that are inside the handle. So there are two stages when you pull the handbrake and one more when you press on the button in the middle. So when you pull the handbrake, those two switches from the right and from the left are on. You release those two micro switches when you pull the handbrake handle. And then when you press on the button in the middle, you will click on the third micro switch. Now if you can see that one in the middle, the micro switch in the middle, it's activated when you press on that middle button from the handbrake, and you will release the handbrake. You can take the circuit board out from the handbrake button to see much better the micro switches. So you just have to lift the circuit board up and then take it out. So here is the LED light bulb. Check, verify and clean those three micro switches and check also the joints from the circuit board. So if one of those micro switches doesn't work properly, you just have to use a contact cleaner, spray some contact cleaner on those micro switches to work smoothly. Also check all these joints from the circuit board. So if your handbrake doesn't come off or doesn't come on, you just have to repair those micro switches, just have to replace it or just clean them. After you clean it, you just have to install back the circuit board on the handbrake button in the same position that you take it off. In case you don't have a problem with the micro switches, you can check for brake fluid level in your vehicle. In case it's empty, fill it up until you reach the maximum fill line. Also check the electronic module for the parking brake. Check the cables from the electronic module. Check the handbrake motor relay and also check the handbrake motor. Then install all the parts back and then install the handbrake button back on the dash. Usually it can be from those micro switches, so be careful to see what is going on with this module from the handbrake handle. Connect the cables from the back and then install the handbrake back on the dash. Put those two T20 Torx back. You can test the handbrake to see if it's working now after you clean the micro switches and the circuit board. So when you pull the handbrake handle, it's on, and when you pull and press on the middle button, the handbrake is off. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.